Welcome to Narisaki. Today let's make flaxseed mouth freshener. Flaxseeds are very good for digestion, omega-3, very good for skin, for your eyes, and this is a very good mouth freshener to have after meals. So here I have flax seeds. Make sure they are clean. Add 1 tablespoon of water, and to add the sour taste, tanginess, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix it well. And we are going to add turmeric to this. It will give a nice flavor. And pink salt. Pink salt helps digestion also, but you can add regular salt if you don't have a pink salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for about 15 minutes. So all that flavor is absorbed in the flax seeds. So keep it aside for 15 minutes, let it rest. And this is a very good mouth freshener after meal because it is omega-3 and very rich flax seeds. So this is after 15 minutes. So now on a medium heat, we are going to roast the flax seeds, and initially for 2 to 3 minutes we are going to keep the heat medium, and they look clustered now, but as you roast it they will separate out. Now the moisture is becoming lesser in this, so now reduce the heat because flax seeds get burnt very easily. So this is one of the things, that's why we have added water, so there is a slow process of roasting them. So now it's completely separate. It started to roast and toast. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes, but you can see things like change in the color. So there is a change in the color, there is aroma, and they'll start popping up. So they'll start popping up. Once they start popping up, keep stirring, put off the gas stove and take it out in a separate plate because they'll burn otherwise. So once they are cooled down completely, store it in an airtight container and you can have it after meals. It's a very good mouth freshener. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Narisaki for more videos.